Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to order components from JLCPCB. Let's get straight into it. Now head over to your account dashboard here where it says my account. Then let's go to the part manager. Alright. Now what we need to do is go here on the left side to order parts. And here you can search for the component using its description or manufacturer part number. Fill in the exact quantity you need. So let's find quickly one component. Right now it doesn't matter which one. Okay, let's say this one. So right here on the right side, fill in the exact quantity you need. So let's say 60. Like that. And when you're happy with that, just add my part to library. This is one option. Okay, and now you can scroll up here. You will see parts card. So if you click on it, now you have it right over here. And now you can also order these components. So right here you will see search secure checkout. So if you click on this, you will put in here your information and then save, and after that you will probably put in the payment method, and that's pretty much it. And you have successfully ordered yourself a component. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the